Hey guys, I want to welcome you back to another episode on J of All Trades. Today I'm going to show you how to install a ground fault circuit interrupter outlet. The very first step is safety first. You want to shut off the breaker before you start working on this wire. Then you want to make sure that you expose your line, your neutral, and your ground. Once you have the wires exposed, you can go ahead and strip the wires. Today I'm going to be installing a Leviton brand GFCI outlet. I'm going to include a link in the description for you guys. So let's go ahead and open this up, and we're going to take this out and show you guys exactly what this looks like. And here you can see it has a test button as well as a reset button. Now this is very important. When you look in the back, you're going to see a load side and a line side. And so I'm going to explain to you guys exactly what that means. Just by looking at this illustration, this is the GFCI outlet here, and that's the first outlet that is hooked up to the line, which refers to the power that is incoming from the electrical panel. So the power that is coming from the breaker will directly hook up to the line side of your GFCI. These three outlets to the right are all standard outlets, and they hook up to the load side of your GFCI. All of these other standard outlets that are hooked up to the load side of this GFCI is also protected. Today, I'm only going to be using the line side of this GFCI because I'm not going to be having any other outlets downstream of this. I'll be connecting my line wire to this gold screw, and I'll be connecting my neutral wire to this silver screw here. And of course, let's not forget about the ground, which is on this side of the outlet as well. So first, I'm hooking up the ground here. Next, I'll be hooking up this neutral wire to the silver screw. And here, I'm putting the line into the gold screw. After everything is all tightened up, we're ready to install this outlet into the box. And you're just gonna finesse it in there until you get it lined up, and then you can start screwing it into the box. Next, you can turn your breaker back on, and then you can go and test the outlet. So the first thing I'm going to do is press reset, and you can see that that green light just turned on there. So that means that this outlet is good to go. And then to test it, you press the test button, and you see that that trips or that opens up, and then you press the reset to go again. So this is a successful install. Remember that GFCIs are requirements for bathrooms, kitchens, garages, outdoors, laundry rooms, any wet areas. You want to be protected. And of course, don't forget to put your cover on your GFCI and you'll be all set to go. I want to thank you guys for joining me today. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can continue to get more videos like this one. And I'll see you guys on the next one.